Oh my god, is that Denji and Makumo? Who is this? Who's kissing? Look. Boom. And you got the, oh my god, we got the fan service with the fucking bomb chick too. Oh my god, she's gonna end up on Denji's dream. She's gonna be right there laying right next to Makima and Denji's dream after this fucking movie, bro. Are you serious? Can't believe it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. But right here, boom. Irisout, Kenshi, Yoneza. Yeah. Oh shit. A kaiju battle. Ooh, we're finally gonna see the angel girl in action.